Hey guys, today let's see as how to get JioMart free coupon, free products, plus lots of crazy deals and offers. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. आप कैसे हो? नाला इरकिंगला. As you see here, we have ordered earphones on JioMart. There are crazy deals and offers. All the earphones we have got here are below 99 rupees. As you see here, this is just 40 rupees earphones from Mac. You can check out this offers and products. If you're interested, you can buy them by tapping on view products, or otherwise you can go to my store as shown in the video and buy from there to get extra 10% discount. And if you don't find any of the products, you can comment down below the name of the product so that I can put them in the store so that you can buy them at 10% discount. Anyways, back to earphones. All the earphones we have got below 99 rupees are working and they are stereo types. Here you can see bike cover. We have got it for just 100 rupees with coupons available on JioMart stores. You can check out. This bike cover is fabulous and worth buying it. And here are some of the products we have got at offer prices. Okay, the most crazy deals and offers you have are 1 rupee sugar, 5 rupee onions and free products, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. Here the kitchen napkins are super good quality. You can check out. And all the products on JioMart are of best quality, and biscuits you have got at 50% off. And let me tell you, you have coupon codes also, deal 50 and quick 50 on orders above 249 rupees. If these are not applicable, I'll show you as how you can get JioMart coupon in the later part of the video. Now we'll check out the free products, 1 rupee sugar and 5 rupee onions. As you see here, when you take Chekki fresh atta 10 kg, you will be given 1 rupee sugar. And this Chekki atta is without maida. It's good quality. You can check out the product and add to cart the sugar, whichever you want. That means the brand choice is yours, irrespective of its prices. As you see here, you have 5 rupee onions on every order, so you can avail them by adding to the cart, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. And here you have free Dabur Red toothpaste on buying Glucose D. So if you buy Glucose D, you will be given free red Dabur toothpaste. And one more from Dabur toothpaste. A free product is available. When you buy toothpaste, you will be given free toothbrush, as you're watching here. Okay, feel nice and happy to have free products too? Then you can check out my description box to avail them. Now we'll see as how to get free JioMart coupon. You can go to JioMart, tap on Happy Hour coupons. Category wise coupon codes are available. You can copy those coupon codes, and once you complete with your categories shopping, you can check out with these coupons. And if these coupons are not applicable to you and your shopping doesn't fall in any of these categories, what you do is you can go down as shown in the picture, copy the coupon code that is exclusively only for you, and apply at checkout, which I'll show you in some time. Now you can get back after copying the coupon code, and you have under scheduled also coupon codes. You can check out quick or scheduled, whichever you want, and you have 99 rupees store also. As you see here, quick 50 and deal 50 coupons are available for orders above 249 rupees and above. You can get back, go to quick, click on the banner of 5 rupee onions and add them to cart as shown in the picture. Okay, once you're done with adding kg 5 rupee onions, you can get back, tap on grocery, click on salt, sugar, jaggery. Once you click on that, 1 rupee sugar banner appears before you. You can click on shop now and add 10 kg fortune chikki atta. It's good quality, you can go for it. Once you add sugar of your choice, 1 kg, and go to cart now. Once you go to cart, you will see 1 rupee sugar added and 5 rupee kg onions also added. You can go to apply coupon and paste the coupon here that was previously copied, right? Here my 50 coupon is applied exclusively for me. You can check yours also to get 50 off on your order value, right? And this is how you can get free JioMart coupon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.